Good morning, my friends from the Bitcoin and the crypto world. This is Srini Daddy from Daddy Cryptos from South California, Friday morning. So let's see what's going on with the cryptos. Very exciting news. Bitcoin has crossed 3,550 for the first time. Number of other stocks, Bitcoin Cash, Neo, OMG Ether has slightly come down, but it's still around the 300. Have all been making good progress, including IOTA. I've been talking about these stickers, so keep track of them. OMG, Neo, they're just skyrocketing. Okay, along with BCH, which is Bitcoin Cash, which is also doing relatively well, and so is Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is the leader, and it's taking some of these coins along with it. But then OMG and Neo also have something very unique about them, and that's really helping in its price upward trajectory. Okay, I'll talk a little bit about those coins too, and we'll go from there. The markets, as you can see, yesterday we lost over 200 points in Dow. Today seems like it's at least a little bit stable. So Dow lost a lot yesterday. One of the bigger losses this year. Okay, 200 plus in Dow and close to 90 points or so. Okay, so what's going on in the cryptos? Bitcoin right now trading at 3547. Let's look at the candles. Since yesterday, very nice movements. Some if you have been holding the coins, then you should see these gains. But if you're not into this yet, or you have sold your coins, then you may have missed this ride, and you have to again step in to come on board with this ride once again. Okay, so let's see what was going on. So yesterday morning, it was when we did the videos. Yesterday's video, I told you it's around this 3,250 mark. Okay, this was yesterday morning when we were looking at it. But as you see, it kept steadily going up. The two very big candles. One was a decline candle here, but then it immediately caught up, and then a slightly big candle here, and a big one here, and then relatively so there was support around this 3,340 around 6 p.m. last night. Then it went up to 3,475 around midnight or so, and overnight, and especially this morning. Let's look at it more closely. This morning there was till 5:30 or 6 Pacific time, there was some good support level at this price, which was 3550. Okay, so this is where it touched the 3550 around 6 a.m. in the morning, then came down up. I think this was some of the folks trying to offload and take some gains. That's what you normally see when there are big runs, but then it's stabilized. So there's a good support for this at this 3534. So there's a good support at 3535 right now. So a little, two candles decline, again two candles up, because the support is here. So it seems like right now the Bitcoin user base is comfortable with this lower levels of 3535. Upper levels, it may go any beyond 3550. So as you can see, it has the potential to touch higher than 3550 right now, which it is. It may even touch 36 before end of the day, if this trend continues, or play in this range, in the 3550 range today. Okay, so very exciting for the Bitcoin holders and Bitcoin fans. This is very good news for the Bitcoin and crypto users, because Bitcoin is the industry leader, and any movements here will impact other coins too, and which we'll see in a moment. So some good news for Bitcoin. I know the popularity of Bitcoin is growing across the world. That's one of the reasons. There's more money coming into this, and also a lot more companies are adopting Bitcoins, which we'll talk in a moment. Okay, from Ethereum, little disappointing. Ethereum was at 300 mark, but it again came down. I think this is again some users taking profits. Then it's right now around the 2999, which is good. You should see ups and downs. Unlike stock market, when you see ups and downs here, that's a good thing. Okay, you should always see incremental growths, meaning a few candles up, few candles down, few candles up, few candles down. That's a good stable way to for growth, not just going up and up. That means it's a bubble, what we see in most of the stocks. And then when it falls, then it'll be a huge fall, which you'll lose a lot. But here, these are incremental growths, so which is good. It's not a, I don't foresee these as bubbles, because if it was bubble, it would keep growing forever. But you can see that it's coming down, so there are corrections, so and moving up. So the Litecoin, Litecoin yesterday was around 47. I feel that because of Bitcoin's movement, Litecoin holders are moving on to Bitcoin, possibly. Okay, we can look at that. I have to do a little more research. When time permits, I'll do that. But I think that's what's going on, based on what I can see. So market capitalization, Bitcoin, again, continues to be the number one, 50, close to $59 billion market capitalization, up 3% in the last 24 hours. The price is inching upwards. Again, wonderful movement there. Ethereum at close to 300 in the number 2 spot at 28 billion. And I've been talking about this. OMG. This guy is wonderful. It is a exchange that they're trying to build for the banking transactions, and also like how would I say this? This is more into a large frame exchange. Okay, so it would do transactions for different bitcoins, and especially in China. It's based out of Asia. I think it's either Thailand or one of those Asian countries, but it has a lot of promise, and there's a lot of backing from large investors and founders of other bigger rated coins. So that's why it is going up. Yesterday it was around $4 in the morning, and as you can see, it is doubling, and the growth is phenomenal. And it is available only. I bought it on Bitfinex, and if you want to know how to buy it, reach out to me, and I can advise you or point you to that. 31.8%. Okay. Bitcoin Cash also is doing well. It went up close to $40 since, or I would say close to $80 since yesterday. It says 13%. Yesterday, if you looked at the price in the evening, it was around 270 or so. Right now, 330. So again, market capitalization, probably the number 3 spot with close to 6 billion. Okay. Neo is one more coin. The Neo is also, Neo and IOTA are also two things to watch for. If you were asking me which lower denominated coins to buy, I would say start with, again, you may not be able to buy them right away because Coinbase and GDX and the US ones don't sell them. You have to go to more advanced ones like Bitfinex, Bittrex in order to buy them. But again, contact me if you need help there. Okay. Neo, $32. IOTA, this is one of my favorites. It was around 20 cents, so it's gone up 3-4 times. Okay, IOTA stands for Internet of Things. They're building Internet of Things platform. As some of you techies and in the business world, supply chain know that Internet of Things is big, and that's what they're building. Neo is also a player in Neo is similar to Ethereum, okay, and they're trying to build this in the Chinese market, which will expand. There's a lot of the China, Koreans, and Japanese is where most of these innovations on those cryptos is happening, and it will grow from there. Okay, so as you can see, both these coins are over 15% and 20% respectively. Okay, so coins to watch for, I've been telling repeatedly, at least for now. Bitcoin for sure. If you have Bitcoin, continue to hold them. Don't let them go. Even if you are selling for any reason, buy them on dips, consolidate there. Extremely good. It has the potential to touch 4,000 based on what I can see from the trends, and that too within like the next couple of weeks. I'm not talking of end of the year. I'm thinking as soon as August end. Okay, it has that potential. Will it do? We don't know. No one can forecast this, but it has the potential because it has the support from world over. OMG BCH, if you have sold Bitcoin Cash, then I would say, get some as the market dips a bit. Bitcoin Cash has some potential. Neo, IOTA, and OMG. But hold off on Ethereum and Litecoin for now, because if you need to spread your funds, those are the ones you want to look for. Okay, that's it for now. And again, contact me on my YouTube, subscribe, like button, and private advice if you need. I can do one-on-one with you guys if you need to, but then we'll go from there. Okay, so contact me and we will figure out if you're more interested in these. As I am and doing extremely good research on all these different currencies, and not just the coins but the technologies and where it will take us. Okay, because these are all technology coins. It's going up for a reason. It's not just that it's an artificial coin. There is underlying technology and business use cases for all of these. Okay, that's it for now, and we'll catch up soon. Bye.